Welcome to the F-15C training mission on the Programmable Armament Control Set, or PACS, in the Tactical Electronic Warfare System, or TEWS. The PACS displays the weapon inventory on board the aircraft, and the TEWS receives and displays radar-emitting threats. Press the pause key to pause the mission at any time. We'll begin with the PACS and review its information. Starting at the top, the external fuel tanks are listed left, center, and right. If the station has an external fuel tank loaded on it, it will indicate fuel. If not, it will indicate PYLON. In the upper left corner of the PACS is the number of gun rounds remaining, in this case 940. In the upper right portion of the PACS, the number of remaining chaff and flares is listed. Along the right side of the PACS is the AIM-9 secret coolant status. When an AIM-9 is on board and an air-to-air mode is selected, this will indicate cool. In the lower left corner of the PACS is the scan indication. This will be visible when an AIM-9 is selected and it's in scanning mode. The primary function of the PACS is to display missile inventory and status. The PACS display represents a top-down view of the aircraft wing form. The various stations are then represented on this diagram. Two types of missiles can be selected: medium-range missiles and short-range missiles. You can cycle the weapon type by selecting the D key. When an MRM is selected, its status on the PACS will be shown as ready. If not ready, it will be in standby mode. MRM missiles include the AIM-7M, AIM-120B, and AIM-120C. When an SRM missile is selected, its status will change from SRM to ready. SRM missiles include the AIM-9P and the AIM-9M. The TEWS system is centered on the F-15C radar warning receiver that provides electronic detection and identification of both surface and airborne radar emitters. In addition to the RWR, the system also includes chaff and flare dispensers and an integrated electronic countermeasure system. To release chaff to decoy radar-guided threats, press the insert key. To release flares to decoy infrared-guided threats, press the delete key. To turn on ECM, press the E key. It will take 15 seconds for the ECM to become active, but when it does, it will reduce the range at which enemy radars can lock you up. The RWR can distinguish three different radar emitter modes: search, block, and launch. These each have different audio and visual cues from the TEWS. The RWR will also provide bearing information to the emitter and its type. Looking at the display scope, our aircraft is represented as a central cross, and radar emitters are displayed around it from a top-down view. The closer the emitter is to you, the closer its icon will be to the center of the display. We've detected several radar emitters, including an A-50 mainstay AWACS aircraft that appears as a 50 symbol behind us. When a symbol has an inverted caret above it, it indicates that it's an airborne emitter. The 50 indicates the emitter type. We also have an SD symbol ahead of us that indicates a snowdrift acquisition radar for an SA-11 SAM site. A complete list of emitter symbols can be found in the flight manual. The last detecting emitter will have a hemisphere hat atop of its symbol, and the highest threat emitter will have a diamond around it. If the display becomes too cluttered with symbols, you can declutter it by pressing right shift and R to only show emitters that are either in lock or launch mode. Press the escape key to take control